and welcome back to my Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Eirelyn, not Irene, like that one weird supply teacher called me. This is my series, Cooking with the Bird. This is episode 4. Wow. We today are making mozzarella sticks from scratch. I went through this very big phase of mozzarella stick eating around December to now, and I thought, let's make some. Yeah, I guess. So I'm going to show the whole process of that and the video I am using to make the mozzarella sticks, I guess. Like where I got the ingredients and the technique and stuff. I will link it down below if you guys want to do it as well. But yeah, let's just make the mozzarella sticks. Okay, so I'm gonna wait. Okay, so these are the ingredients, I guess you could say. I have the mozzarella sticks there that you can probably hardly see. I'm crouching down so you can see me, but we have to bread the mozzarella sticks, so I'm going to do that, and you guys can just watch me do that. Yeah, okay. Let's do it! So it's easy, like the clip you just saw, it's pretty easy. You just roll it in the flour, put it in the egg, which I'm literally doing right now, and then you put it in the breading, and then you just bread them. I do have to after, what am I saying? So I have 2 done! Wow, the coloration of this clip. Great, you know? So I'm gonna do a couple of these, and I will come back once I have 8 of them done. So I just finished breading more than 8 of them. I did a bunch. I actually have 4 left on the tray, but I didn't want to try and fit them. But I have to put them into my fridge, aka into the freezer, so they get all stuck, because then we have to deep fry them. So I have to wait an hour for that to happen, so I will see you guys in an hour, but actually in literally 1 second, so see you in the next clip. Why? Okay, I don't know where I'm gonna put these. Okay, so it has been an hour now. I just took the mozzarella sticks out of the freezer, and they are cold. The plate was very cold, and now the oil is all boiled, so I'm going to test one first, and then I'll have my mom help me. Maybe. Probably. I'm doing a far shot because why not? So, in the video, it had them just like placing them in, so I'm gonna do that. Oh god. Okay. Is it golden brown yet? I would say that that's good. Did I do it? I don't know if I did it or not. Can I zoom in on it? Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Okay, I'm gonna try one more. Let's see how it. It said leave it in for like 30 seconds and stuff till it's like golden brown, so I'm trying to do that while not getting attacked. Is that good? Probably. I think I did it. I'm gonna try them. I realized I was not recording. They're good. I had my mom try one. They're good. I'm gonna make more and then, oh, that's really good. They're not runny though. So I'm gonna test it in to see a little bit longer, and then I'll have my grandparents and my mom try one, and I will film their reactions if they allow me to.
Actually, they're better than store-bought.
Really?
They're the best.
They're actually really good.
Are you filming us? They're the best.
I am.
Yeah.
Good.
They are very good.
Unbelievable.
You can make these every week now.
That's good. Want more dip?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I'm eating another one. They're good. I would suggest making these because this was a success, unlike last cooking bird video, the cake pops. These are good. So, that was today's video. I feel like it's going to be much shorter than any other cooking with the bird video because this one was very simple, and I also didn't film the prep because that took a while. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next Friday because I'm filming uploading every single Friday this July and most likely August as well. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, comment down below what you think next week's video could possibly be. Give this video a like. Watch last week's video. It's linked down below. And I will see you guys next Friday and the Friday after that. Bye.